We're getting our internet TV hooked up today. We got Frontier, and they have fiber here. And so he's doing the locates. Found the box right here. The fiber is going to be ran surface into the house and then into a box that's powered. And so that'll all be installed. And then they will send out another contractor that'll take it underground. That can be a couple of months before they fill it up. So we'll live with it on the surface for a bit. At least we'll have internet. I can keep working on my channel. And obviously we'll get some TV and streaming TV as well. So this is what fiber looks like. It's amazing when you're using light instead of copper wire, how fast it can be, just how fast it can move. So once you get to this part here, where it's probably for bury, this section here, protect it, but it's just a single pipe that light is able to run up and down. Interesting with fiber that the upload and download is the same. So like with the other system with cable, you have a download speed which is usually faster and an upload speed which is much slower. But when you're fiber, it's a pipe, it goes both ways, the same. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. The Paulk Smart Bench and the Paulk Smart Station. If you want to get a detailed set of plans for any of these or the accessories that work with the system, there's a link in the description of this video down below.
We picked up this TV stand at Target. It was heavy duty, it was good looking, and it's temporary. We're living in our Florida fixer and we need to have our TV, our internet, things like that while we're tearing the rest of the house apart, moving ourselves around. The wall that the TV ends up against here, I think in the final plan, we're going to do a floor to ceiling, wall to wall there, wall unit. Haven't designed it yet, but that'll come later because actually the drywall is going to be ripped completely down. We're going to get to bare studs in this part of the house when we get to that phase. So for now, it's just nice to be able to, you know, after a hard day of work of working on the house, to at least be able to flip on the TV and get on our computers and things like that. So these little pieces of furniture work out perfect. We'll use them in a different room, or we'll just put them on Craigslist when we're all done with them. You buy something small that's kind of high end, you kind of save the box in case you ever want to sell it. The buyer tends to like that. This is more about if we move this TV. These are big, they're very fragile, and it's hard to replicate the packing that it came with. We're in a pretty small house though, and trying to find room to store the boxes is going to be tough. And I need to put it back into its full size to put all the styrofoam inside of it. I'm not sure what to do. In the short run, I am going to save it until I run out of space and I'm forced to get rid of it. If you're enjoying the Florida Fixer series, then take a millisecond right now just to hit that thumbs up button and drop a comment down below. And also you can subscribe, and all of those things help drive that YouTube algorithm so that this video and our channel will be served up to more viewers. But one of the biggest things you can do at no cost to yourself is share a link to this channel with somebody you know. Help me grow the subscriber base, and this will help us reach more people and be able to create more videos. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.